con tomate and avocado salmon roll.
I had to ask Cher to record this so I could eat it. She started eating other stuff.
The barbecue pork ribs.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Our morning was not ideal.
But it's warmed up.
Yeah. So this morning there was a storm.
A storm?
It was raining really badly.
Badly?
We were supposed to go on a private tour today, but we canceled it because the weather was so bad. So instead, we stayed in our room and just rested a little bit. And we came out for lunch, and now we're in the Palma area. So now we're just here. The rain has stopped finally. The weather got better. We just had lunch, and we're just walking around. We are just wandering around streets of Palma. This is the main shopping street. The weather's finally nice again.
Yeah.
You get peaks of sun. I think Ryan's gonna get allergies though.
I already have allergies. So weak.
Finally, blue skies.
Blue skies, blue skies.
But it's still really windy.
Oh, look at all that stuff.
I don't know if you can tell, but there's hella stuff flying around because of the wind. It's gonna be allergy city for Ryan. We got almond cake, which is a Mallorcan cake, and it's made out of almond flour, so I can eat it. Ryan's having a hard time with allergies.
This will make it feel better.
We just got out of the cafe. We were there for about 2 hours, huh?
Yeah.
Drinking. And now we're out again. It's so windy. Ryan's blowing away because of the wind. That's beautiful. The weather's nice, it's just super windy. This is super beautiful. It's just so windy. Look at this side. Oh my God. Look at the watercolor of the ocean. It's like there's a dark blue side and then there's a emerald color one. Horsies. Want one? You want to get on one?
You.
It's beautiful. Do you see the big cruises?
I know, those are huge cruise ships. Those are not.
Those are
average
huge.
Cruise ships.
At least we got blue skies today. I wasn't sure if we're gonna get any.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good. I've got hiccups.
How's your allergies?
It's fine actually.
Oh. We're gonna try to go see if we can get on a horse ride. We'll see if we can find one at a reasonable price. Is that your horse impersonation? We failed. We didn't find horsies.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Couldn't find a horse to ride, so.
So we're just walking around random little streets. We're here for dinner. Yep. We're here at this place called Tast Club.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has
Today's Sunday, our last day here. Yesterday we were supposed to do our private tour, but because the weather was so bad, we decided to move it to today. So we're waiting to get picked up. We'll do a whole day tour and then get dropped off at the airport to go back to London. But it's a beautiful day, so let me show you guys. So this is our view from the hotel room. We get a nice beach view with a lot of palm trees. We are in the town of Valldemossa. It's up in the mountains. It's such a cute little town. A lot of cyclists in Mallorca.
And this is a sculpture of Chopin,
Ah,
because Chopin also was.
Oh my gosh.
oh wow. Look at that
Now
view.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Okay.
Yeah. Behind the mountains, there's the.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's.
the valley.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice town.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Valdemossa, the valley of Moss.
I think this green is a common color.
Thank you. It's light and it's made with potato, but it doesn't take potato.
Oh. Coca de
good.
patata. Good?
What's she doing? Look what she's doing.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Oh. And it's still like this.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
It's your left up here.
Uh-huh. People are actually swimming. It's pretty. The watercolor is really pretty too. Look how clear the water is.
I know. That's crazy clear.
Uh-huh. So pretty.
You get a better perspective of the watercolor
Yeah.
from this angle.
Yes, I prefer.
Yeah.
It is so clear. I can't believe how clear it is. This is Cala Deia. And what are your thoughts, Ryan?
Very nice.
The water is crystal clear and like emerald color.
Really pretty. I want to come back.
Maybe when it's hotter,
Yeah.
so we can go to the beach.
Yeah.
We are at lunch at this beautiful spot. Any appetizers?
Is that?
Sí, perfecto.
What's this?
Gracias.
Dime, esto me parece que no habían pedido, pero no me parece que pidió otra cosa. Me dijo que sí.
This is Soler. nice. Ryan fell asleep.
Just waking up.
This is the Port of Soler. A lot of nice boats and yachts.
Okay, this used to be an old deposit to keep the rainwater.
Ah,
Hemos reconvertido en sala de...
Guinea? ¿This is con harina sin gluten?
no.
Ah, sorry, no. Limada, the pastry.
Yeah,
Sobrasada, the sausage.
yeah.
And this is coca de trampo. Coca is not sauce. Called trampo, which is tomato, red pepper, green pepper, and onions.
La cosecha que está ahora. Y es prensa blanca.
But
Y esto se consigue con...
I can't handle it. My body doesn't handle it, but I like the smell. It smells really good.